Hello guys, welcome to CS Tech Solution. Today's is learn in AWS DevOps. Today's is learn as a security scanning with as a Trivy in GitHub action. As a Trivy is open source as a securities scanners that as a detect the vulnerabilities as a misconfiguration, secrets and as a software license issues in Docker's image and the file systems repositories and as a Kubernetes configurations. And this the GitHub actions workflows is automatically scans a Docker image for as securities vulnerabilities and then as a code is as the pushed to a main branch and the workflows files location as a .github slash as a workflow slash as a trivy.yml and complete the workflows example as a name colons as a security scans with a trivy and on colons and the push colons inside the branch colons and the hyphen the names and job colons inside as the scan colons and inside the run dash on colon and the ubuntu slash as a last edge as a last edge ubuntu's versions and the setup as a steps colons and as a hyphen the names colons inside the checkout the code and the use colons as a action slash as the checkout at the rate v4 and only as a step as to change another's as a structure as the same in the all the programs. Step inside the another's as a hyphen names is install the Trivy as run colons inside the vertical sign and the sudo as a apt and des as a gate and is called as a hyphen and gate as a update and another is sudo apt and hyphen gate as install the vgate and hyphen the y and the vgate and is https colons and the double slash as the github.com slash as accuse securities and slash as the trivy slash as a release slash as a last edge slash as a download slash as a trivies underscore as a 0.66 and dot as a 0 and underscore as a linux and des as a 64-bit dot as a deb is a debugs and the sudo as a dp as a kg and hyphen the I and the previous underscore as 0.66 dot as 0 and the underscore linux dash as a 64-bit dot as a db as a deb and other steps as hyphen the names colons and run the previous image scans and run colons inside as dockers and the pools and dollars and double curly braces inside as a secret dot dockers underscore as users names and as double curly braces over and slash as my des app and colons as a last edge and the Travis image as a dollars and double curly braces inside the secret dot as a docker underscore users names and the double curly braces over and slash as my des app colon as a last edge and all the hyphen names is used in inside the steps and as the same position but as my mistake to as in presentations so as a back but as all the names in a single lines to start in and inside the steps let's as a let's check and all the step in the details. First step is check out the code as the same of the Kubernetes and the Terraforms as a hyphen the names is colons as the check out the code and the use colons as a action slash as the checkout at the rate v4 and the purpose is to download the repositories to GitHub actions runners and why it is the needed is access the project files and access the Docker files and the configuration file, and as a prepare the environment for as a scanning. Step 2 is install a Trivy as sudo's apt the get as an update, and sudo's apt and -get and install the vget and hyphen as a y, and the vget after the path has to gives like https colon the double slash github.com slash the acu security slash the Trivy slash relax sorry as a release slash last edge slash the download slash as a Trivy underscore 0.66.0 and underscore as a Linux dash the 64-bit dot as a deb is a debugs, and the sudo dpkg and hyphen the I and the tvs and underscore the 0.66.0 and the underscore linux slash as a 64-bit dot as a deb, and this code has a purpose to install the Trivy security scanners on a GitHub action runners. And step 3 is a Docker pool, and the dollars and the double curly braces inside as a secret dot dockers underscore username and curly braces over and slash as the mydays app colon as last edge, and the purpose as the download the last edge docker's image forms as a docker sub, and the example and if colons as a docker underscore users names equal John Doyce, and the commands as becomes as docker pools and the John Doyce slash as my desk app colons as last. And step 4 is scan the docker's image as a Trivy's image, and the dollars and double curly braces inside the secret dot dockers underscore users names and curly braces over slash as the my desk app colons last edge is the purpose as the scan the docker's image for as a security issue, and the Travis is checked for as now the CVEs as a common vulnerabilities and the expose, and as a operating systems package vulnerabilities as a applications libraries vulnerabilities expose the secret as a APIs keys and the password as misconfigurations license compiles issues. Thank you guys to watch the videos. Please subscribe the channel, on the notification and bell icon.